Hi, I'm David Gooch. I'm Product Application Manager here at CHAUVET Professional, and we're going to show you the Unrival app. It is an NFC configuration tool. So you go in and you can tap. You can then make any change that you can do in the menu right from the phone. Besides that, you can also bring in a patch list from Campsys via CSV or QR code. We can also bring in an MVR file and see the plot view and also see it in 3D. Select a fixture and just tap the fixture again, and once it's done, it'll go green and you can go along your whole rig. There's some other features like error logging that we can pull and all the information, so if you have an issue with the light, you can send it to whomever you need to. And you can find out more at chauvetprofessional.com.